So hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison between this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow with pure cocoa and shea butter body lotion and the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiance body lotion with cocoa butter, all 400 ml. Now these two are both Vaseline brands, and per my research it seems the Cocoa Glow has become more popular than the Cocoa Radiance. I'm going to be explaining to you why you need to get these lotions and which one is good for you. When you go to a store and then you are welcomed by these two lotions, you can know which one you can get for yourself. First things first, let's settle the baseline. Both body lotions are very good for your skin. They are very good for those with dry skin, and these lotions will give your skin a healthy, beautiful, radiant glow. So this particular lotion is currently being used by my kids and my husband, and I can tell you for a fact that their skin looks more radiant and healthy than it was before I started using this lotion. I use it on my face because cocoa butter is very good when it comes to taking care of dry skin, and it works amazingly well for my dry skin. So the first thing you're going to be realizing with this is it has a very nice smell. It's not an overpowering cocoa butter smell like you would get with most cocoa butter lotions. It is just right. It is not overpowering and it just sits well with your skin. I actually like the smell. It's very good. It's not nauseous. One thing about the Cocoa Radiance is that it's actually very watery. It's a really watery lotion, and that can put you off. Even though this lotion will thicken after using this for a period of time, it is still very watery. So if you are somebody that wants a thick lotion, the Cocoa Radiance isn't something that I would recommend for you. Even though it is very moisturizing, it is still really watery. As you guys can see, I'm just rubbing this into my palms, and you can see that it's going to sink into my palms really easily. It's highly absorbent, and my skin does not feel greasy after using this. The only downside to it is that it is a watery lotion. So if you're somebody that wants a very thick lotion, then the Cocoa Radiance isn't something I'll recommend for you because it is just too watery, but it does an amazing job. Now, comparing this to the Cocoa Glow has a more thicker consistency than the Cocoa Radiance. So here is it. You see how it came out. It has a more thicker consistency. So if you want a more thicker cocoa butter lotion, I would highly recommend you get the Cocoa Glow because it is thicker and it also has a very nice smell. So when you wrap this into your palm, it's also very highly absorbent. It absorbs into your palms or into your body really quickly. It doesn't leave any greasy feel on your skin. Your skin doesn't feel oily. Your skin doesn't feel like you have applied too much or feel like you just poured a whole gallon of oil on your skin. It absorbs into your skin very easily and very quick. It absorbs into your skin very easily and very quickly. Once you rub it in, everything goes inside and your skin stays moisturized, hydrated, and not looking ashy for as long as 24 to 48 hours. On the container it states that it can give you 48 hours moisturization. That is the Cocoa Glow, but I haven't used it I haven't had to leave it on my skin for 48 hours, but within 24 hours I can assure you that your skin is still going to look very moisturized. Your skin is not going to look ashy. Your skin is going to look really good. Now at the back of the bottle, unfortunately it doesn't tell you how you should use the lotion. It's supposed to, most of the time most lotions are supposed to tell you how to use the products, how to apply it on your skin, whether it has to be face and body only or just body. It doesn't give you that information. It only gives you the ingredient list and also tells you a few information that you need to know. As it doesn't mention whether it has to be used on the face and body, I'll just say that I have two other videos on this channel where I've spoken about cocoa butter and then shea butter, and it is scientifically proven that cocoa butter should not be used on your face because cocoa butter has a tendency of clogging your pores, which means that if you use any product that contains cocoa butter on your face, there is a likelihood that you are going to clog your pores. You're going to be getting some reaction. You're going to be getting some acne breakouts. You're going to be getting some rashes. It's likely your skin is going to look more oily than normal. You might have some pimples, might have some acne breakouts here and there. Your skin might, you know, react, because there is a tendency for cocoa butter to do that to your skin. However, I should say that not everybody is going to be experiencing this, because not everyone reacts the same way to different ingredients and products. So somebody might use this and will not have any problem at all with his or her skin on the face, but another person can also use it and might experience some reaction through acne breakouts, rashes, oily skin, and the like. So if you start using this on your face and you notice that you're getting some reaction on your face, you're getting some rashes, you're getting some discoloration, your skin is more oily than normal, your skin is just not looking as good as it's supposed to look or as good as it used to look, please discontinue using this on your face. But for a body care product that is from your neck down to your entire body, this is amazing, especially if you have dry skin. This is amazing to take care of that dry skin and give your skin that extra moisturization. And it has such a lovely fragrance that you might not even necessarily have to use any perfume if you are stepping out, unless maybe you just really want to smell extra nice, then you can go ahead and use a perfume. It's a very beautiful, delicate cocoa fragrance that you are definitely going to love, and it's amazing for your skin. If you're a naturally fair person, definitely you can use this product. It's not going to darken you. It is good for all skin complexions if you're naturally fair, but if you're somebody that's using any kind of lightening products, I will not advise that you use this, because this is going to darken you to your normal complexion. So if you have used a lightening product before using this, do expect that your complexion is going to change. It's going to, you know, it's going to get darker. If you're naturally fair and you use it, this is not going to change your complexion, but if it does, you should discontinue use of the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant or the Cocoa Glow. It's amazing for all skin types, but again, I'm going to highlight that if you have oily skin on your face, please do not use. In fact, even if you have normal skin, sensitive skin, whatever skin type you have on your face, please don't use this on your face. Just use this on your body as a body product alone, and you are going to enjoy this. But if you want to take the risk to try and see if you're going to get any reaction, you can go ahead and do that. But if you realize that you're getting any reaction, just discontinue using this on your face and just on your body, and you're going to enjoy using the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant or Cocoa Glow. I would highly recommend that if you go into the store and you are presented with these two, I would highly recommend you go for the Cocoa Glow, just like the Cocoa Radiant, but then it is much thicker, and it is it serves a much better purpose, I should say, than the Cocoa Radiant. So if you are faced with these two products and you want to know which one you should take, I would highly recommend you go for the Cocoa Glow. So this is my recommendation for both Vaseline Cocoa Body Lotions. If you're looking for something to try out for your kids or for your spouse or for yourself, this is amazing. You can even use it on your stretch marks if you have stretch marks, or you are pregnant and you want to apply something on your belly so that it is not always irritated, and it is, you know, you soothe your skin, your stretched belly because of the pregnancy. You can use this and you are going to enjoy the effect. You can get this for 65 to 75 Ghana cedis, and this should last, a bottle should last you for more than a month. So it's very economical, it's good for the skin, and it does what it says it does. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question. I'm going to answer and ask them when I see it. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do that, and I'll see you all in my next video.